All right, if you're doing the 48-hour film festival, they have a new system. It's called Cinema48.com, where you can upload your paperwork and you can also upload your film. So I'm going to show you how to do that because it's not very intuitive, to tell you the truth. I think a lot of people are going to have a problem with it. You can also email it to them. And so I'm going to show you guys how to get on this site and how to upload your paperwork and how to upload your film. All right, so first of all, we got to open up a browser. Bam. And what I would do is I would put 48-hour in here. And then this is the main site. But what you want to do is you want to go / your city. So mine's Miami. So then it's going to take me to my my page. All right. So, and I'm assuming that you guys are already registered and you set up an account with your city's 48-hour film webpage. So Cinema48.com uses the same email and password. So it's the same system. They're kind of like they're interconnected. So when you open up Cinema48.com, it's going to ask you for your password. If you've saved it in your Apple keychain, it'll just plug it in. You just click on your email and it fills in your password and your email. If not, you're going to have to register your account first with the 48-hour film festival in your city, and then you can go to the Cinema48.com. So anyway, here we are, and this is our boss, Kathleen Dean, Miami, Fort Lauderdale. And in here, you've got all your production documents, and all the stuff that you need. But what we're talking about is how to get on this site and how to navigate to the page that you need to go to, because that's the thing that they don't really make clear here. Like right here, if I go through this whole page, I don't see anywhere, there's not a link to the site that they want me to go to. There's not even a link here. I mean, I'm looking over here, there's no links. You get production documents. When you click there, let's see what happens. Here's all the documents that you need to fill out, which you're going to need to do. So make sure that you do that. And but it really doesn't, it's not giving me an area to go to. So what I did was I went to this link that she sent me, which is Cinema48.com. I just clicked on it, and it opens up this page. So it automatically knows who I am, all right, because I've already opened it. But if you open it for the first time, you're going to have to plug in your email and password. If you don't know it, it just pulls it from the 48-hour film project, whatever city you're in. In our case is Miami, Fort Lauderdale. So to get to where you have to do that, you're going to come up and you're going to click on your name right here. Cinema48. You go to your name. It's up here. Click on it. Click Film Manager. Then you come to Upload Paperwork. All right. And there's your team leaders agreement. And you can see I've already uploaded it here. Let's take a look. I wonder if I can look at it. I'm pretty sure I could do this. Look, I can delete it. And then I'll just upload it again. All right, now let's upload it again. Let's select a file. So I'm going to go to this page here, which is all this stuff. Let's make sure it's got the signature on it. Then I'm just going to hit upload. Bam. Now it's uploading. Completed file, web page, PDF. Success, your entry has been uploaded. Cha-ching, and there it is. Bam, done. All right, now if I want to go back to the film manager, I can. Here's safety sets. Let's see, what is this? Upload a file by dragging or dropping the file. Safe set certification. I don't even know what that is. I mean, beats me. Let's go back over here and see what that is. All right, let's see. Safe. I don't see it. So I think that must have something to do with COVID. You know, it must have something to do with COVID. Let's go back. All right, so once you've uploaded your team leaders agreement, you're good. And let's go ahead and let's go back to Film Manager. So I can't do anything else really until after the film's done. All right, so on Sunday, then I'll upload all the paperwork. And basically what that is the wrap-up form, team roster, certification statement, waiver and release forms, music release, materials release, and location releases. And all that will go in on that day with the film. Okay? So that's basically how you use it. And then if you want to get out of there, you just come back over here. You can click on here. Just brings you back to the front page. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. There'll be more. I'll explain how to do stuff. Peace out.